Today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome 3D text effect in Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer icon and the choose gradient. Click to edit the gradient. Open the basics group icon and choose the black and white. Double-click left color stop slider. In the color picker, choose dark blue color. Double-click right color stop slider. In the color picker, choose mid blue color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the color picker and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Click on your document and type out your text. Go to the layer panel. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select drop shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Press Ctrl+T to select the free transform tool. Press the left arrow key to move the text 1 pixel further to the left. Hit Enter or return on your keyboard. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T multiple times to create an amazing 3D effect. Select the 14 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl+G to group several layers into a folder group. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the bevel and emboss. Just copy these settings. Select the color overlay. Click the color picker and choose the red color. Just copy these settings. And click OK. Select the text layer copy and double-click on the indicates layer effects. Select drop shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. Select the gradient overlay. Click to edit the gradient. Double-click left color stop slider. In the color picker, choose light orange color. Double-click right color stop slider. In the color picker, choose peach orange color. And click OK. Just copy these settings. Select inner shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. Select the stroke. Click the color picker and choose the light orange color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Select the 2 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl+T to select the free transform tool. And position the text in the center. Hit Enter or return on your keyboard. And this is the result.